Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.
Coral reefs are a marine tropical environment which are home to thousands of marine creatures. Coral reefs are formed from corals. You can think of corals as being like trees in a forest. They create the structure for animals to live in. But we're losing corals because of climate change. As the ocean warms, the corals die and their skeletons, these things, are washed up on the beach, and so that habitat is being lost. What we can do is we can create fake corals, concrete structures, which replicate the structure of corals, and we can put those back in the sea, and they will provide habitat space for marine animals. And that's what my project Fish Hives is doing. We're putting concrete fake corals into the sea, and they provide habitat space for marine life. What we don't know yet, though, is how fish behave around these fake structures compared to the real corals. So we are continually monitoring fish behaviour around the structures and around corals and comparing the two. We hope that we can find out more about how fish behave around these fake corals, and then that will help us design better reefs for the future. Thanks for listening. Diolch yn fawr.